Here are the top 6 100% free AI-powered websites for programming and code generation based on user demand, feature set, and ease of integration with coding projects. 1. OpenAI Codex GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot, powered by OpenAI Codex, is a code completion tool that provides developers with code snippets, function suggestions, and bug fixes based on natural language prompts. Ideal for both beginner and advanced developers, it integrates directly with code editors like Visual Studio Code and offers solutions in various programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, and more. URL: https://github.com/features/copilot. 2. Blackbox AI. Blackbox AI is a versatile AI code assistant that excels in generating code snippets and entire functions from natural language descriptions. It supports a broad range of languages, including Python, JavaScript, and Java, and is especially popular for integrating directly into IDEs to streamline coding processes for developers at all levels. URL: https://www.blackbox.ai/. 3. Replit. Replit's Ghostwriter is an AI-powered IDE that assists with code generation, debugging, and refactoring based on text prompts. Suitable for collaborative and solo projects, Replit supports multiple languages and offers a robust online environment where developers can test, run, and debug code within a single platform. URL: https://replaceit.com. 4. Tabnine. Tabnine is a code completion AI designed to support developers with predictive text based on context and programming patterns. This tool integrates with popular IDEs, offers completion suggestions, and enhances productivity through contextual code suggestions in languages like Java, C++, and Python. It's optimized for enterprises and solo developers alike. URL: https://www.tabnine.com/. 5. Deep Code by SNYK. Deep Code uses AI to identify and fix bugs, vulnerabilities, and performance issues within codebases. It analyzes code repositories to provide real-time feedback on code quality and security. With support for multiple programming languages, Deep Code helps developers enhance code quality and minimize technical debt. URL: https://snYK.io/product/developer-security. 6. Codeium. Codeium is a free AI-powered code assistant designed for prompt-based code generation and completion. It offers support for a wide range of languages and frameworks and provides quick suggestions to streamline coding. With integrations in major IDEs, Codeium aims to make coding faster and more efficient. URL: https://www.codeium.com/. These tools rank highly for programming and code generation, offering support for various coding languages and providing productivity-enhancing features.